Financial statements. These words can sound intimidating, can't they? They often seem complex and overwhelming at first glance, but don't let them be. With a bit of guidance, they can become your best friends in the financial world. Think of financial statements as your financial GPS. They tell you where you are financially and help you map out where you want to go. They provide a clear picture of your financial health. Today, we will explore 3 key financial statements: the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. Each one serves a unique purpose. Understanding these statements is crucial. They give you control over your money. They empower you to make informed decisions. Whether you are running a business or managing personal finances, these tools are essential. They help you plan, strategize, and achieve your financial goals. In the following sections, we'll break down each statement using clear language, and we'll make it easy to understand. Stay tuned as we demystify the world of financial statements together. The income statement is your financial report card, providing a snapshot of your financial health. It shows how much money you earned over a specific period of time, such as a month, quarter, or year. This statement is also commonly referred to as a profit and loss statement, or P&L for short. It lists your income and expenses in detail, breaking down each category. Income includes your salary, investments, and any other money you receive, such as bonuses or freelance work. Expenses are the cost of living, like rent, groceries, transportation, and other daily necessities. The income statement tells you if you made a profit or a loss during the period. A profit means you earned more than you spent, indicating financial growth. A loss means you spent more than you earned, which could signal financial trouble if it continues. The balance sheet is a snapshot of your financial health. It shows what you own, which are your assets, and what you owe, your liabilities, at a specific point in time. Assets are things you own that have value, like your house, car, savings, or investments. Liabilities are debts, which might include your mortgage, car loan, or credit card balances. The balance sheet follows a simple equation. Assets equals liabilities plus equity. Equity is the difference between your assets and liabilities, representing your net worth. Navigating the cash flow statement. The cash flow statement tracks the movement of cash. It shows where your money came from and where it went. This statement is divided into 3 sections: operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. Operating activities involve your primary source of income, while investing activities include buying or selling assets. Financing activities involve borrowing or repaying debt. The cash flow statement helps you understand your spending habits and also helps you identify potential financial problems. Putting it all together. Financial statements and you. Financial statements are not just for businesses. They are essential for individuals too. They are powerful tools for personal financial management, helping you keep track of your financial health. By understanding these statements, you can make informed decisions about your money, ensuring you are on the right path. You can track your income and expenses, create a budget that works for you, and plan for your financial future with confidence. Start by gathering your financial information, which is the first step towards financial clarity. Collect your bank statements, credit card bills, and investment accounts. This will give you a comprehensive view of your finances. Then, use the information to create your own financial statements. This process will help you see where you stand financially. There are many online tools and templates available, or you can consult with a financial advisor. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your finances is key. By understanding your financial statements, you can take control of your money and achieve your financial goals, paving the way for a secure financial future.